Definitely getting close to seeing the first rays of sun popping over the horizon.
I don't know, the Southern Cross pretty active.
So you got all the spectators for the big events. Let's see the knob jutting out. So good morning. On the way down from McAfee Knob, we caught the sunrise with probably about a half dozen other people. And we were rewarded for our efforts. It was a very nice sunrise. Now we're all very cold, warming up slowly.
51 up there.
51 degrees and very windy. And we're heading to the shelter to finish breakfast, get some water, and not clear on the plan yet for today. Tentatively was 16, but we may extend that out to cut down some of the mileage at the back end. So, but it looks like it's going to be another beautiful day. Nice temperatures, low humidity, maybe a breeze to keep things cool during the middle of the day. So, haven't looked at the elevation profile, but I think today is a little bit more climbing than yesterday. I'm not sure if we have the views. And I think today is the day we go over Dragon's Tooth. Confirmed it's the day we go over Dragon's Tooth. It is also the most important thing. Orchid will be starting new miles in about 2.5. She has done this little section of the trail before. She started at the road crossing that's coming up in just about 2.5 miles. So she'll actually be making progress again, unlike yesterday and this morning. So, but otherwise, I will try to catch up with you during the day if there's something useful to report. And if I can feel my fingers again. So right now, we have 360-degree views of this yellow wildflower.
We're not in Maine anymore. You want a shot of the flowers around you?
What was the yellow flower? A wildweed. Wingweed. They're just all over the place. Well, that's where we were for sunrise this morning in McAfee.
And you can see Sharp Top to the right, way in the background.
That will be Tinker Cliffs.
After the sunset.
We did, so. Making a big loop. And we're on our way to Dragon's Tooth. Well, we're most of the way off to Dragon's Tooth. Looking back, so there's McAfee Knob. And Tinker Cliffs off to the left behind the tree.